NASA is inviting anyone to send their names to the surface of the Moon aboard the agency's first robotic lunar rover, VIPER, short for Volatiles Investigating Polar Exploration Rover. The rover will embark on a mission to the Moon's south pole to unravel the mysteries of the Moon's water and better understand the environment where NASA plans to land the first woman and first person of color under its Artemis program. NASA will accept names received before midnight, March 15th. Once collected, the agency will take the names and attach them to the rover. To add your name, visit the link in the description. It's completely free. In late 2024, Astrobotic Technologies' Griffin Mission 1 is scheduled to deliver VIPER to the lunar surface after launching aboard a SpaceX Falcon Heavy from Cape Canaveral Space Force Station in Florida. On a 100-day mission, it will explore the Moon's polar regions in search of ice and other resources, with the goal of determining how we can harvest the Moon's resources for future human space exploration. VIPER will be delivered to the Moon by a commercial partner as part of NASA's Commercial Lunar Payload Services program. The VIPER mission has two main scientific objectives: to characterize the distribution and physical state of lunar polar water and other volatiles, and to map the Moon's resources. The rover will use its 3 instruments and a 1-meter drill to detect and sample various soil environments, including permanently shadowed craters, some of the coldest spots in the solar system, where ice reserves have endured for billions of years. VIPER's findings will pave the way for future crewed missions to the Moon and beyond. The phases of the VIPER mission include pre-launch activities, rover delivery to the commercial partner responsible for sending VIPER to the Moon, launch, cruise, descent and landing, instrument checks and first drive, surface operations, and data analysis. The rover will operate for 100 Earth days, covering 3 cycles of lunar day and night, and travel a distance goal of 12 miles, or 20 kilometers. The VIPER rover measures 8 feet tall and 5 feet in length and width, or 2.5 meters tall by 1.5 meters wide. It is equipped with a set of scientific instruments and a drill to detect promising areas where ice may be found, and to analyze the drill samples to determine the composition and concentration of volatiles, including ice. VIPER's camera system will allow operators on Earth to visualize the terrain the rover needs to traverse and where to stop and search for water ice. VIPER's team of scientists and engineers will operate the rover from the Mission Operations Center at NASA's Ames Research Center in California, with support from NASA colleagues in Houston and Florida. The rover's onboard computer will help VIPER do its job, including running commands sent from Earth, processing data from VIPER's sensors, operating its instruments, and driving. The VIPER mission will run 24/7, with 3 shifts of 8 hours, plus a 1-hour handover period between the shifts. NASA's VIPER mission is a critical step forward for future human space exploration. The rover will explore the Moon's polar regions in search of ice and other resources, and map the Moon's resources for future crewed missions. VIPER's findings will help determine how we can harvest the Moon's resources for future human space exploration, and pave the way for future missions to the Moon and beyond.